Welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. Thank you so much for completing 3000 subscribers on our channel. We are happy to have 3000 members in our family. If you want to learn how to use computer and Android using screen reader, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive updates. If you have any queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can support us by donating using thanks or join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Follow our social media handles like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X to receive regular updates and tech-related articles. Happy learning! Hey guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy and welcome back to another episode of HTML with screen readers. Friends, from today onwards, we are starting a new chapter of HTML, which is HTML forms. It will take a few videos, few sessions I will take on HTML forms because you need to learn form in detail to work with HTML. Today we'll just create a simple contact form with some fields, name, first name, last name, email and message and a send button or submit button or something like this. So let us see how to create that file and then how to use that file. So guys, first of all you need two files. One is your output file. Output means thanks or something, which message you want to show after submitting the form, and the second page you need where you will write the code for the form. I have created one HTML file called contact.html and I have already created another file called thanks.html where I have my message which I want to show to the users who will submit the form, who will click on the submit button. So let us see how to create that. So I will show you only the body part. Whatever you want to write, you can write within the title.
Less body greater.
So this is the body. Now after starting the body, I have just given one heading.
Less header greater.
Header.
Less all greater.
And this is the links which we have already shown you in our last episode.
Less nav greater. Less main greater. Less h1 greater. Contact us. Less
contact
h1
us.
Greater.
This is written within one heading. Now I am pressing down arrow.
Less format. Less h.
Okay, then the form is started. Now how to create the form? So to create the form, first you need to open the form tag, less form greater, less slash form greater. Now within opening tag you have to use two very important attributes. Number one, action, and number two, method. So action and method is useful when you are using when you are submitting your form using PHP or any other backend languages. But as you are learning HTML, so you just learn what is this and how to use it. So here I have started the form, then use those two attributes. So
less
see,
format,
less form,
form space
action
action
equals
quote.
Within quotation I will write that page name thanks.html here where I have the message for the user. Okay.
TAANKS.html quote space.
Then method. There are two types of methods, post and get, which we will discuss if we organize any series in PHP or when you will learn PHP. You will learn more about the get method and post method. So here we use method
get,
which means our data will be submitted through URL. When you submit the data, it will be submitted through URL. Okay. Now this is what we have already seen. So forms tag is started, right? So next we are going to write each field. So each field has some common things which you should know. First is label. Label means label is very important, especially for the screen reader user and obviously other users also. Label is that place where you will write the instruction. Okay, there we will use for attribute where we will put an ID. Okay, within that label element. Okay, next, input type. We have various types of inputs which we will discuss one by one. Some of the input types we'll discuss today, some of the input types we'll discuss in our upcoming videos. Okay, so next is input type. Then within input type we'll define the ID, which the same ID we use for the label for. Okay, what is ID I will tell you later. Okay, next we should use name attribute. Name attribute is actually useful when you are submitting your data to database. Okay, I will describe one by one. So first we have label attribute.
Less format, less
label.
LABEL space.
Then for
FOR equals
equal sign. Here we will create one ID. ID means you will give, let's suppose you have 3 headings, 5 headings in your HTML page. First heading is number 1, number 2, not heading 1. Okay, leave this heading, but let's suppose you have 15 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so and so till 15. Okay, now you can give different name, different identification for those paragraphs, and you can use that ID for various purposes. We may discuss about IDs, classes later. Okay, this is a simple concept of using ID. Here what we do, we will create and will define an ID for each input type, and that ID will be used for attribute, in for attribute, label for. Okay, this label for whatever you type, whatever the value you type in the for attribute, the same value you should define as an ID within the input type. Okay, I hope it's clear. If not, please watch this video till the end or watch this video again. I hope it will be cleared. Okay, so see.
Less label for less. LABEL.
Label for
FOR equals.
So first we want first name. So just we give the name.
Quote FNAME quote.
F name.
Greater.
Okay, here you can use anything. Obviously there are some rules to create ID. For now you just use any words. Okay, F name, first name, name, whatever. Then greater. So less label this ID, greater. Then the name of the label, whatever you want to show as an instruction.
FIRST space.
First
NAME less.
Name
slash LABEL greater carriage return.
Okay, first name less slash LABEL label greater. Okay, so first name I have given first name, right? So this is label closed. Very good. Next we need to write the input. What we write, what we need, input type will be text. What will write within the first name? Text will write. Okay, so see.
Less
input
INPUT space.
Then first attribute is type equals
TYPE equals quote
text
TEXT quote space.
Then ID. Now here we need to define the ID. How to define an ID? ID equals it is an attribute.
ID equals.
Same. What we should write? F name.
Quote FNAME quote space.
Okay. Then
NAME.
Name equals. Name means within this quotation, whatever value we'll write, you should use the same data or same content, same text for your data header in your database. If you learn database like PHP, MySQL, etc. or Node.js with MongoDB, there you will require this.
Quote equal FIRSTYNAME.
So first space. Underscore name. Try to use underscore instead of spaces in programming. Okay, that is recommended and that is best practices.
R.
Then
space.
Some other attributes we used, but I just
R.
remove this.
Require A space auto greater space quote space greater.
Here we can use a placeholder. So placeholder. Placeholder is actually used to give some extra instruction, which I am here not using. I will use it later.
Quote, great carriage return.
Okay, So this is the code.
Less input type equals quote text quote it equals quote name equals quote first line name quote greater.
Okay, then
Less BR greater.
BR. Then same way label for. Now here we cannot use the same ID, so different ID we will use. See,
Less label for equals quote name quote greater last name less slash label
L
greater.
name last name. Now F name we use for first name, it is an ID. So same code we use.
Less input type equals text quote it equals quote name equals quote last line name quote E
Okay.
quote space R star require greater space quote greater. Less
Okay, see.
input type equals quote text quote it equals quote name equals quote last line name quote greater.
Okay, so here I also not use any placeholder.
Less BR greater. Less label for equals quote email quote greater email less slash label greater. Less label for equals quote email quote great email less slash.
Okay, so label email and for attribute use email. Here we will use ID email. Okay, so small caps you should always remember. That we will discuss in our ideas and classes class if you want. Okay, I'm not sure whether we will make on that videos or not, but if you want. Okay, so how you can let us know that you want. We just need to like the video and share the video as much as possible so that people can able to learn. Okay, and comment, share. So based on that we will decide. Okay,
Less label.
now here we have learned one input type text, but when you type email, what will be your email input type? Input type will be email, another input type. It's by default. What happened? If you type any other text except email, it will not accept. See,
Less input less INPUT space
Input
TYEE equals
type equals
quote EMAIL quote
email,
space I
again ID.
quote EMA quote name equals email quote greater.
Okay, that's
Character
it.
return less BR greater.
See,
Less input type equals quote email quote it equals quote email quote name equals quote email quote greater.
okay, next
Less BR greater.
we will ask users to enter the message. How to insert? There is no input type. Okay, here we use text area. It is another element. So again, label and for attribute.
Less label for equals quote MSG quote greater write your message less slash
MSG.
label greater.
Okay, then see,
Less text area
less text area, less TEXTAREA.
T less TEXTAREA space
Then first attribute is
ID
equals
quote
what we should use. Type in the chat box, comment section, what ID. Those who have write MSG, they are correct.
quote MSG quote
MSG,
space
then quotation close, then
NAME equals
name. Let's suppose message.
quote MESSAGE quote space R space
Okay.
R space selected space R row selected R row quote rows R space.
Now in text area, another two attributes which we have to learn. You have to learn rows and columns. Rows means how many characters you want to write within a line. That many rows. Okay, see,
Quote space RO double S equals
rows equals
quote
to
1 0 quote space
10, and columns. Okay, columns means rows means how many line. I told you wrong. Rows means how many line. Okay, not characters. How many line you want from the users. How many line you want from the user. You want means how many line it is showing when the text box is showing, right? So 10 line. And how many columns? So COLS calls
S equals
equal sign
quote 1 0 0 quote greater
100 means 100 characters can be written within the one line. So I'll just always recommend it change it to 30
0
or
1
40 or 25 or something else. Okay, like this 30 40 50. Now if anyone will write more, then obviously you need to it will be automatically extracted, so you don't need to worry
0
about that.
quote greater character
Okay.
return
So here message we have written.
Less slash text area greater.
So text area is finished. Now text area is an it has the closing tag. Okay. So friends, here rain is raining. It's raining here. So guys, if you are getting any noise from outside, please ignore them. And as you understand that I'm recording this video, even it is raining, and I'm trying to teach you everything for free on YouTube. So please press the like button and share this video, because we need more views and this video should be reach to more people. So this is your job is to do. Okay, so now we have successfully created the fields. Next we should create a button to submit. Now there are two input values we will learn more. Input types reset, input types submit. Input types reset means it will reset each field, every field. See,
less input type equals less I N P U T space E Y E E equal quote R E S E.
Input type equals to reset, value equals to
quote R E S E T quote greater character return.
Reset. So here instead of reset you can write clear whatever, clear text, clear form, whatever.
Less BR greater.
Then break tag I used.
Less input type equals quote submit quote
Then
value
see,
equals quote submit quote greater.
input type equals to submit and value equals to submit. Then
less slash form greater.
Form is closed. So once we fill the information and click on submit, it will take me to that page which we have set within the action attribute when we have started the forms element. So this is the total form. I hope you got the point. Now let me open this page and let's see whether it will work or not. Before going that, those who are interested to learn HTML, JavaScript and little bit of CSS fundamentals, you can join our fundamentals of web development course. The link is given at the pinned comment. We are going to start our next batch very soon, so hurry up and take the chance to be a certified front-end developer with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, as well as you can go for the accessibility testing career. So to know more, visit the link into the pin section, pin comments, and register today. Okay, so now let me open the page in a browser. I have successfully opened this page here. See,
contact us dash web
contact us
landmark graphic web lead navigation out of list with one main landmark contact US heading level 1.
Contact US means contact us. I am pressing down arrow.
First name edit.
First name edit.
Main landmark first.
So here let's suppose I am typing X.
Last name edit blank.
So last name. When I press tab, it says last name. Remember, if you do not use the label attribute, for attribute with the ID, even if you press tab, it will not announce. If you press up or down, it will announce. But if you just press tab, it will not announce. The screen reader will not announce. So it's very essential for VI person. So I'm here typing Y
email edit blank.
Then I'm typing email xy at abc.com. Just I'm typing here. Now I'm pressing tab.
Write your message edit multi-line blank.
So it is saying write your message multi-line. So here I can write that like this is a sample message. Now I just press
reset
tab.
button.
So if I press enter on reset tab, reset button, everything is reset.
Submit button.
And submit button. So I just press enter on submit.
Thank you dash Webley.
So thank you.
Webley ticket logo.
And
main
see,
landmark. Thank you for contacting US
thank you
heading
for
level 1.
contacting
We
us.
have received your
We have
request.
received
Our
request.
team will get in
So
touch
and
with
so
you.
things. But remember, this data is not saving anywhere. Okay, just enter the data, and when you press enter, every data is deleted because we are not saving the data. We are just creating the form, and to access the form to see whether it works or not, we have created this thank you page. Otherwise, we need to write the PHP script or set up the database and do a lot of things to submit the data. So this is how we can create a simple form using HTML. Next, we will see some other input types where we can create checkboxes, drop downs, then combo boxes, okay, then some other things, and this forms is required even when you are learning JavaScript, there is a DOM or document object models there. So whenever you will learn JavaScript, these forms elements are required. Some other attributes is also there, which we will learn one by one. But for now, for this episode, that's enough. I hope you learned whatever we discussed. If you are having any issues, watch the video again, and still if you have any issues, let me know into the comment section. I'll try to give you the answer. And that's it guys for the day. Again, I am saying please share this video as much as possible. So this your share actually helps us to make new videos, motivates us to make new videos for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this episode, this video. See you next week with the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.